What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another video. And today's video is going to be a very interesting video because I'm going to be showing you a new system that I have created that I am going to be testing and turning into an automatic trading bot. Okay, so if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you check that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos like that. Before I get into this video, just a quick disclaimer: nothing I show you here today is going to make you $1 million. Everything I show you here today is purposely and solely for educational purposes only. All right, if you want to make $1 million, you got to put in $1 million type of work. And like I said to all my traders, each one teach one. So let's pass these gems and get this video started. All right, today's a very interesting video. I won't be displaying any indicators. I won't be talking about any bots. I'm simply just going to be running my yap. Yes, I am going to be talking your ear off. Nah, I'm joking. But no, I'm going to be telling you about this indicator and how I'm utilizing it as an automated system to create me profits. All right, so let's go ahead and hit play and let's just let that run. All right, the reason I'm testing this bot is because I want to see how profitable it is versus do it give false signals. All right, so that's what I'm in this for, and I'm just witnessing what it does on US 30. And you can see that if I was in a buy trade right now on the US 30, I would have been up there. Look, it's not going. I'm just watching it. It created a sell signal there, and it looked like it's sticking to the sell signal. So it might have broken even here, broke even there, sell even, broke even there as well. And you can see that it's starting to now actually respect the sell trend position. It broke even again. These are quick scalps. You got to watch these bots. This bot don't look like it's something you could trade with. Look, but it's going. It's respecting that buy there, and that would have been a very profitable trade on the US 30. This is also the 1 minute, so each candle is lasting 1 minute. So we're sitting here, we're just riding. I was expecting that to be a fake out, maybe close the trade. I actually left it open. This is a closed trade because now it's going into sell. Look at that. Instantly would have caught profits. Oh my goodness, this bot is going to make me $1 million, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna make sure I get it to my students firsthand for no free. So if you're interested in becoming one of my students, make sure you check my main link down there to learn Forex. All right, it's the main link, and we're gonna get you situated. We're gonna get you squared away. Also, if you're interested, maybe you just need a Forex strategy, you know how to trade, and now you want to create a bot. I also help create bots as well. I'm thinking about putting that on my Fiverr account and charging somewhere in between $20 and $30 to get a bot situated for you and get it all ready to go, and I can send that to you and stuff. So, like I said, if you're interested in learning Forex, hit me up, man. This is the wave. New Year's is coming. I'm ending this 9-to-5 trap for all my family and friends, and this is the way I'm going to do it. So I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to watch these markets all day. I'm going to let this bot work for me. Put in a couple dollars and utilize this with no stop losses. This bot, as you can see, it hasn't had no drawdowns really since it called it, and if it called it, it's sent in another signal. So like I said, these are to die for. Look at it. I'm gonna test one more thing right now. It's just this US 30. I know people want to see what my bot can do on the indices and whatnot, so I'm just letting you guys see it and witness this. Alright, so it looked like it's pretty good though. This is pretty good and decent in profits. So it's making its numbers, it's making its rounds. I like this, it's doing its due, and look like it's sitting here, it's testing a support line. If you see that low line there, like it's testing that, and it couldn't break it because it was setting near those. And this is just awesome, guys. Excuse the kids in the background. It's Christmas Eve, and they are full of Christmas spirit. If your kids is full of Christmas spirits, make sure you comment down in the section below and say Christmas spirit. And also, welcome me a new year, because 2021 is coming, guys. And I'm trusting you. I'm telling you that this is it. Let's take action. Each one teach one. If you know somebody that want to trade Forex but don't know exactly what they're doing, share this video to them. Get them interested in this video, and then we can go ahead, we can train them and get them all situated. So, for my students, I suggest, you guys come up with a strategy that you guys already are fond of, and, get me to just make a bot for you. If you're a student of mine and I make a bot for you, that gives you half off already. So if I'm charging $30 in my Fiverr store to make bots, you guys are paying $15 to get those bots on in line. I'm sorry, like I said, it's not about money, guys. It's just, everything comes with a risk, a sacrifice. In order for me to go ahead and make those amends and sacrifice and build these things for you and train you guys. You know, I have to kind of make it kind of worth it and build some security for my life and everything I'm going on. You know, I have 2 kids, one on the way, soon to be married, and I'm in a very, very young adult. Not a very young adult, I mean like immature or anything, but as in like I'm young, I'm 27, I'm from Jersey, and this is what I want to do. I don't want to work anywhere, not because I'm lazy or anything, because jobs just don't appreciate you where I'm from, you know. So like I said, I'd rather work, get my money to work for me. I understand people say, oh well, if you can't trade, if you don't have no money, you can't trade. I know what I got to do. You know, I got kids. I can't just sit up. So at the end of the day, I also don't want to just work all day and miss my kids' lives and everything. So this is what I'm trying to create here. So if you feel that, go and give this video a like. If you understand totally where I come from and you may have some gems or some advice for me, and whether it's Forex or kids, comment down in the comment section below and just, you know, let me know how that go. You can see this bot has just been running. It's just going right now. This is the US 30. It's in a respective sell trend. I think that was the end of that. So yeah, all right, cool. So we're done that. Let's go ahead and go back a little, and let's choose another pair. So they said US 30. They wanted to see some SPX. All right, so you can see the SPX is there. I'll go back. I'll zoom, 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 so that way you don't think I'm gambling anything. And I'll hit this marker tab, and I'll bring that. I don't want to go too far. Let's just go right here, and then we're gonna bring that over this way so you can see, and then double tap the screen to give me what I get, and then hit play. Boom. So yeah, I'm gonna talk over SPX a little bit, and we just gonna go ahead and verify if that's what it is. That looked like a broke even trade. You see SPX is now in a respective sell trade. It's at a lower low, so I'm expecting a buy to come out of anywhere, any moment. You could definitely see that there it is. There's the buy I was saying at the lower low. Now it's in respecting that buy, and it's doing what it do. Would have broke out, but you know, long as it did its due, did its diligence. Ooh, that had to been new, so I know that had to been like a crazy trade for the bot. You can see it's doing its due, and that would have been some. This if you held into the trade and let it do, it would have been some easy profits. I don't know when that signal got flared up like that, but you know, it is what it is. And letting this happen the way it happens. And I can say SPX on the 1 minute chart is definitely something I would have to watch, because this 1 minute stuff here, oh man, it's SPX is good, but it's very volatile, and it is doing a lot of moves here. Break even all over the board. Let's just get out of that. I wouldn't even use that bot for SPX. Let's go to something regular. Let's go to Euro JPY, and let's go Euro JPY. Let's go to Euro USD. Sound like a fool. Right, so let's go ahead and we just gonna hit this marker, and we're gonna bring that marker right there. We're gonna let the price do what it do. We're gonna double tap, and we just gonna bring this bar over here like this, and now let's hit play. Euro USD 1 minute, most recent 1 minute for Christmas Eve. You see it respected the Euro USD is about down, up and down about 10 pips now, broke even there. It's in a respective uptrend, is doing its due. Actually, let's go ahead and get that off the screen. And very respective uptrend there. If you I don't know if you can see, but I have high and low lines on my screen, and prices like bouncing in between them. All right, so boom, it shot through the roof with that one. Like I said, we were in the uptrend, and it's just going. It's just going. We were in the uptrend. We were in a buy trade, and we're gonna let it go. Give me something. When respective buy trade. We're getting some more pippage out of here. They're like we're doing everything. They're like the 1 minute is good. 1 minute is very flicky. Let's dial down to the 5 minute, and let me hit play there. You know, see, got a sell there. We on a 5 minute candle. It's coming down. It's doing what it's due. Boom. Would have stayed in this trade. Would have held. See, I would stay away from the 1 minute time frame on this candle. I would just stick to the 5 minute or and above, maybe the 3 minute. But it's looking like it's pretty worth it on this 5 minute here for the Euro USD. Before I get out of here, like I said, I want to make sure I show you a couple other things. I want to show you gold and that might be it for this video because I don't know how long this video is yet. So I go and look at that now. We're about 10 minutes in this video here. All right, so I know. All right, so yeah, so let's talk about some psychology. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. What I want you to understand is I'm not trying to make you no professional trader. I'm trying to show you everything that I've been shown myself, and then I also want to implement some of the new pro tips and things that I have given myself to learn. But also with saying that, I want you to know that, you know, it's not up to me. You got to do what you got to do. Make all your money, all your times, and all your sacrifices. So what I want you to understand something is, right, is that you have to want this. I started Forex trading in about May, but I've been a trader since about 2016. And in May to now, if I wouldn't have wanted this, then I would have never had built a bot or got everything and learned everything that I needed to. I didn't even know you can trade Forex and stocks and indices and all that other stuff like this. I was just solely using all right, you can see that that bot is done. We gonna switch up to the 1 month time frame. Let's go. Let's zoom in here. Boom. So I wanna go. Actually, let's zoom out because I want. This is what I want to do. I want to see if it's very profitable on the hour. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, and we're going to go back here. Back this way, right here. Boom. Tap that 2 times. We're on Euro USD on the 1 hour. This is what I want to do. See if it's profitable in the 1 hour. Actually, before I even... Maybe let's go look at gold. Let's go look at gold on the 1 hour. Gold on the 1 hour is crazy. So it's majorly volatile. It's majorly volatile, right? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to swipe. We're going to actually come down here to the 5 minute for gold. All right. Sheesh. Gold do numbers, man. I might have to 1 minute this. I'm gonna surprise y'all with this one. Yeah, let's do 5 minute. All right. So with gold, we're going to come back here and maybe come back here a little bit more because I want to see some swing highs and things. Boom. So cool. All right. We should be about right. We should be ready to go. Everything is gone, and I hit play. Let's look at gold on a 5 minute. You can see gold has been in a respective sell trade. Maybe hold up, maybe pause that because I have it set to every 1 minute, every 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Let's do 3 seconds. So yeah, slow it down a little bit. So like I said, for psychology reasons, you have to be able to trust the process. All right, this is why I'm building a robot, because I couldn't trust the strategies. So now you can see that gold on the 5 minute is doing numbers. All right, you grasp this stuff and it's over with. Look right there, I could have put a trailing stop because gold is going down, and I could have just been in this gold trade by itself solely. And then you also want to get your compounding and hedging and all that stuff right, but that's not what we talk about. We talk about why you can never make it out of the Forex game. Is because you have to find the things that work for you. Not everything that works for everybody is going to work for you. This may not work for you. You may have to make your own strategy. We may have to make your own strategy and build a bot around it for it to work for you on your time frame and doing what you do. All right. So what I totally want you to understand is, you know, it's a lot of ups and downs becoming an entrepreneur. But if you see, that was a false signal. See how it would have sold that sell? It gave that sell. I'm sorry I cut myself off, but it gave that sell trade. It would have been in a sell trade. Oh, that would have been cool. It ain't do too much. That was a good position, but still, okay. Like I said, you gotta trust the process and do what you gotta do. In order to be an entrepreneur, it's all or nothing, baby. And I'm sorry. I know you wish you had some security with this entrepreneur lifestyle, but there is no security with the entrepreneur lifestyle, because one thing, something's hot, next minute is something's not. And I want you to totally understand that, this is the way things gotta be, you know, in life. Because if you got everything easy, you wouldn't really work hard for anything. Because you got everything easy, it would be no need to. But you know, life and the way the things is, you gotta want this, guys. So with that being said, if you in a position to trade, all right, trade the smallest lot size that you could possibly trade until you trust your process and trust your system. All right. So once you go ahead and do that, then you can go ahead and trade bigger lot sizes and maybe double accounts or flip accounts or whatever the case is, and do what you got to do, things like that. But you know, I just wish the best for you guys, because right now it's 2020. I know, you know, me, I had a lot of crazy things go around in my life that should have knocked me down. But with the love and the grace that I have, I'm gonna hold and all of that and leave it to God. You know, that's first, before all foremost, before my health, before the money, before I wake up. God, man, if he don't want me to have this lifestyle, he let me go, and he let me go do what I got to do and be there for who I got to be there for, and visit and come right on home. But at the end of the day, God got me here with y'all. God got me here with my family, and God got me here doing what I'm doing. So I just want you guys to know that I love you. No matter if friend or foe, I always got to keep you around, curious, because like I said, I love you. It's gonna be, we got to get this together, guys. So like I said, when this bot is over, I'll go ahead and I'll end this video and I'll let you go. But like I said, if you're interested in learning Forex trading, make sure you check out the links below. If you need a broker, make sure you check out the links below. Maybe you need a strategy, you already know how to Forex trade, hit the links below. Alright, go on and become my membership. Don't get part of my team. Join my team. Join my team. Join my team. Let's get it. Let's go for these New Year's. I'm trying to build a big team. Also, if you ever like, you know that one kid that want to work but can't work because he's not old enough and he want to do something, bring that kid my way. Let me help change that kid's life. All right, let me keep that kid off the streets by putting something productive in his hands. If you know a kid like that, pass this video to that kid, sit that kid down, and let's get that kid wired away with me. All right, also, like I said, join my team, because next year is going to be popping. So let me tell you about some things that I'm starting while this bot is still streaming like this. I'm creating a Telegram group that's going to be sending out the signal. So when it shoot a trade for the robot on this screen that you're seeing now, it could have shot a trade. It could have shot the exact same trade inside the Telegram group. All right. So if you're interested in the Telegram group and becoming part of the signals, make sure you like this video and get this video known, because I'm trying to at least find at least 50 people in this group, and I'm trying to help at least 50 people make this money while also getting finding 2 apprentices, and then going from that, and then better in all our lives. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you like and subscribe to this video and comment down and below saying interested, or let's get this going, or can't wait for 2021. Let's get it, guys. Like I said, I'm in it for you, and you guys are in it for me. Each one teach one. It's man, 2021 better be a better year, man. If not, it gotta be. Look at that. Oh my goodness, price shot all the way up there, man, on gold. You'd have been filthy rich, and then it would have gave you to sell up there to close the trade out. Oh my goodness. Oh man, I'm telling you, man, some of the best traders in the world not trading like this. They not using arithmetic arithmetic. I can't say it. They not using strategies and bots. They just come on here and they daily trade, and they think that is what it is, and they go about their day. All right. So with that being said, man, look, I can't stress you guys no more. Think it's over with. Think it's over with. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I think it's over with. I'm not sure. I think it broke. Let's check. Cause market started to seize up. I think market closed. Yeah, I think market closed right there, and it don't got nothing to do, and it's just open now. So, yes. Yeah, that's where market closed at. So yeah, so I'm glad I got to get that off my chest. I'm glad I got to tell you that. So you guys, like I said, man, if you find this video interesting, help me get this video seen by YouTube's algorithm, and like this video. Subscribe if you want to, comment if you want to, but like the video. Please like the video. Remember, every 10th person that liked the video, well, like the video and subscribe to the channel will get my course, my complete course, free. All right. So like I said, I'm looking for 2 apprentices, man. If you think you that apprentice, comment down below and I'll email you and send you some things, and let's get you on and popping. So with that being said, happy holidays, guys. Merry Christmas, a happy New Year's, because I won't be seeing you guys or talking to you guys no more until the New Year's. So with that being said, I'm closing this year out with the join my team. It's free to join my team. Well, not per se, you still got to buy the course and everything, but you don't have to pay a membership fee if that's what I'm going for. You just buy your course in and you're good to go. Whenever I do like a live training or anything, I would just probably make everybody pay $5-10 just to get in, and then we go about our business. So with that being said, if you're interested in that, comment down below, like this video, each one teach one, pass this video to somebody, and let's get it popping. If you got any suggestions for your strategies too, make sure you comment them down below, because like I said, not what I do for me, what I do for you makes us all better. Love you guys, for better or worse.